Here is my 2004 Giovanni dirt bike that I'm selling. It's been well maintained, oil changed many times. The plastics are in pretty good shape, except for there's a little bit of bang marks there. I'm not sure what from. One crack here and two little cracks here. I had the plastic on the seat since 2004 until last summer, and I finally decided to take them off. So it's a fun bike, 110cc 4-speed manual. It runs really good. It just has never let me down or anything. Original spark plug and all that. So put the choke on and I'll do a start up for you guys. Well, there she is. Stock exhaust sounds great under load. Sounds like a 450 almost. Hard to believe, but it does. So that's my Chinese dirt bike I'm selling. I will trade for something if it is of any interest, located in Winnipeg, Manitoba.